Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Reading and writing Excel files using the pandas library in Python is a common task in data analysis and manipulation. In this tutorial, we will cover how to read data from an Excel file into a pandas data frame and how to write data from a pandas data frame to an Excel file. #### reading Excel data. To read data from an Excel file into a pandas data frame, you can use the read_Excel function. Make sure you have the pandas library installed in your Python environment. You can install it using pip install pandas. In the code example above, we first import the pandas library as PD, then we specify the path to the Excel file that we want to read. We use the read_Excel function to read the data from the Excel file into a pandas data frame named df. Finally, we print the data frame to display the data. #### writing Excel data. To write data from a pandas data frame to an Excel file, you can use the to_Excel function. You can specify various options such as the sheet name, index, and whether to include the column headers. In the code example above, we first create a sample data frame df with some data. We specify the path where we want to save the Excel file using the to_Excel function. We set index equals false to exclude the data frame index from being written to the Excel file. Finally, we print a message to indicate that the data has been successfully written to the Excel file. ###conclusion. Reading and writing Excel data using pandas in Python is straightforward and convenient for data manipulation tasks. By following the examples provided in this tutorial, you can easily read data from Excel files into pandas data frames and write data from pandas data frames to Excel files.